Hi and welcome to Beach Bumbling. Are you in for a treat today? It's Saturday and we're in Huatulco in the town of Santa Cruz where they have a rockin' market, literally.
If this town sounds familiar, it may be because it is an international cruise ship port, and we will explore the beach while there is a ship docked in town today.
For lunch, we'll show you where to get one of my top 10 taco experience I've ever had.
And later, I'm going to try the best pistachio ice cream in Huatulco, maybe on the planet.
Wait, there's more.
We're going to end it up at Hot Rockin' Burgers. This is a place you're not going to want to miss when you're in Huatulco.
Cheap 2-for-1 drink,
Awesome burgers and wings.
the best owners and staff, and a great atmosphere with live music.
This place is a must visit when you're here and you're going to want to check it out.
So why are you still talking?
Good point. Let's go. Right, so just a reminder, we're in Huatulco, which is on the west coast of Mexico, below Acapulco. It's down there quite a ways. And we're staying in the town of La Crucecita at Hotel Villablanca. It's not all inclusive, but we bought a breakfast package, so let's see what we had for breakfast to start the day. For breakfast, they have a modest buffet, and then they have an egg station here where you can get your omelets custom made, and tacos too. We did both. Kieran had a couple coffees and an omelet with mushrooms, cheese, and spinach with some chilaquiles rojo on the side. I had some OJ and an omelet packed with peppers, onions, cheese, sausage, a side of bacon, and a pork carnita taco for breakfast, because why the hell not? After breakfast, we went upstairs, we packed a bag. We're going to head into the town of Santa Cruz today. There's supposed to be an organic market on Saturdays, so we'll check that out. Maybe hit the beach. Cab's going to be about $5. We'll go to the market first.
Our anniversary is National Conservation Day.
Now, it's difficult for us to record here in the market because there's a live band playing and it's loud, and I really liked it and enjoyed it, but it makes it hard to make a video vlog without getting the copyright issues. But for the sake of the channel and the people that like the markets, we will do the next video will be a complete market tour that we did, and we'll just let it roll and we'll just won't be monetized for that video. So if you're into that kind of thing, that'll be the next one. But we'll show you a couple things that we saw through here. Hola. Tostadas, ceviche. You can get it all here, man.
Hay tamales.
The tamales.
Temole.
Tamale? How much for the tamales?
25. Está bien bueno, son de gallina de rancho.
Okay. 25. Eggplant?
Yeah, more hot peppers.
Yep. Hot. Alright, we're getting into the veggies, fruits.
Ooh, flowers.
Oh, look at those, yeah. Those are pretty. Very pretty. How much are they? Actually, how much the flowers are?
I don't know. See who sells them.
Oh, yeah. Thought she was working. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but any market that's got rock music on it at like 1 in the afternoon or noon, what is it? Noon?
Yeah.
So aces with me. What's this, soap? Yeah. How much are the soaps?
35 each.
35?
10 we got with cinnamon, kiwi, charcoal, chamomile, orange, coffee, chocolate, patchouli.
I don't want to eat it.
Yeah, we got a little one of.
A little bit of it. Everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
White clay, violets, sandalwood.
Are you guys down here every week?
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday?
Yeah.
All right. There's a lot of stuff here.
Yeah. If you're in the Huatulco area on a Saturday, you should really come and see this market for yourself. Lots and lots of things to buy there, different foods, massages. I could go on and on, but you'll have to tune into our next video to see the full market, so I won't have to.
Down here at the marina. That big ass boat. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're in Santa Cruz right now, in Huatulco, at the marina.
There's a Holiday Inn.
There's a cerveceria. Like we said in our other video, Huatulco gets over 330 sunny days a year, so maybe that's why they painted a big sun here in the middle of the square. There's a big statue of a fish or a dolphin or something like that, so that's what I'm looking for right now. Where's the statue? Must be this way.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I saw it from way back there. I don't really know.
It's packed. Holy. It's a busy beach. Yeah. I don't know which one you want to go to though.
Yeah, I know.
We're not going there, are we?
Over here?
We're not. We're just looking around, bud.
Okay.
Yeah. For now. Yeah. You have a happy hour here?
Yes, happy.
When is it? What is the happy hour? Right now? Right now? Hey, I've seen that one. So we're here at Playa Santa Cruz in Santa Cruz. We'll take a quick walk. It's obviously a cruise ship port. You can see the big ship in the background there. And because of that,
Very
this
busy.
place is very busy. So we're just going to take a quick walk through the beach and then go somewhere where it's not quite so busy, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
Whoa, look at them all packing the thing.
Yep, smart. Oh, is it?
Looks like it.
Oh, Niru.
Yeah.
It's a beach club. I was looking at that one online. They're called Serenade of the Seas.
It's a little less busy down here at the local end.
For
But
sure.
the shade spots are pretty few and far
Yeah.
between.
Just based on one day only that we've ever been here that I remember anyway. If you're looking at the water, the right-hand side's less busy. The Nero Beach Club's there, so if you don't want to, if you want a beach club that's not packed, we haven't actually been there, but it looks like there's less people on the beach right in front of it for sure.
The shady spots up along there if you got here earlier.
Yeah,
For sure. Pick a spot and
not if you want to lay on a pile of rocks, but all right, we got a beer, Paloma, big water, and a
kind of like a Gatorade. Electrolyte dose for 96 pesos. Or you could get one of the beach clubs that are here at the, and I don't know what we paid, but it's too busy. We're going to another beach. We're just dying of thirst. So we got these. That's what.
We're gonna go check out Playa Chahue. We can actually walk to our hotel from there, but we could not walk past this. That looked and smelled incredible. If you ever wanted to know if you can get fresh seafood here, that should answer it. This place is called Villablanca. It's right by that big church here in Santa Cruz. All right, we're here at Playa Chahue. Just realized that we were here in 2019. Our beach club was here on the beach from our hotel. But anyway, you got public washrooms here if you want them. They're 10 pesos to use. We were going to go for a swim here, but the water at Playa Chahue that day was just way too rough, and there's a known rip current here, so better safe than sorry. We're going to go walk up through the plaza and see what's up there. Hopefully find a drink. There's not as many restaurants and stuff here on this beach that we've seen yet. A lot of beach clubs, 3 beach clubs I think that we walked by. But we'll confirm that up for you. There's not a whole lot going on here today. This kind of looks like the...
Beautiful ground, though.
Yeah, it is nice. The Centro there.
Okay, Restaurant Blue, open to the public.
They have entrances here for the people. Isn't it blue?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Bike side, Huatulco.
Bike rental, probably?
Hotel Castillo, we almost stayed there.
Yeah, we almost booked here. Beach wouldn't have been that great.
This is our closest beach, too, to our hotel.
Yeah. And what's that say?
Chahue Beach Club.
Which looks closed.
Well, we just going home at this point? Can't we?
I don't know.
Since we can't swim in this beach?
Yep, that's exactly what we did. For any of our friends from Michigan, Detroit area, eat your heart out. That's a big one.
Preparing to be underwater.
I don't know, I've never noticed one of these before. But what is it?
It's like a plant almost.
What are those? Where's my drink? Alright, let's go get some lunch. That's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Oh, that's not 4, is it?
What?
It's pretty bright for 4 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock here.
Alright, we're going to try lunch here at the Villablanca Hotel. This is where we're staying, so we've heard the food's really good here. So here's the menu for the drinks. The hotel's restaurant's called Jacarandas. It must be pretty good because a lot of people are coming in off the street to eat here. When we were flying down to Huatulco, the guy next to us on the plane, his name was Peter from Newmarket, had stayed at this hotel before and said the food was really good. So here's a quick look at the menu just so you can see what was available when we were there anyway. It's about 4 o'clock and we're going to be ordering off the snack menu. Alright, so I got the smoked tacos and I thought they'd be beef and stuff like that at first, but anyway, we've got octopus, shrimp, and mahi-mahi in here. It's a mixture of it and it is really good. That's onion and cilantro you can throw on top. Limes, I've already done the squirt thing on them. And then you get some hot sauce, which I do appreciate. And I'll tell you how much I paid for it, I've already forgotten. But this is at our hotel, and like I said before, people come in off the street to eat here, and I can see why. I've had one of these 3, and it is actually really, really good. Karen got some fish. How was it? Good. Good. I took a bite, it is good. But anyway, I wouldn't hesitate in here. Oh, there's Oaxacan cheese in the bottom of that too. And then they grilled it. Oh, if you've never had Oaxacan cheese, you should. It's really good. It's probably in my top 10 taco experiences. Octopus I've only ever had once before, so I was a little bit worried about that, but wow, those were some good flavors and you could taste the smoke. And yeah, that very impressed with that. The fish and chips they're good, but
great. I wouldn't order them again probably, but there was a ton of it. So if you're into big portions, fish and chips would have been the way to go. But yeah, tacos.
Portion sizes are huge here. Price goes along with that too, though. It's pretty pricey. But those tacos, like I said earlier, were just spectacular. If you're into seafood and tacos, you cannot go wrong ordering this. Definitely recommend, if you see these on the menu, that you get them. The total was 410 pesos, and that's like 28.75 Canadian, or $20.30 US. Not cheap, but very tasty. All right, just a little note on the way back from, what was that place called? Santa Cruz, and we went over to Chahue Beach. And that was supposed to be 35 pesos. We asked the guy how much. He said 50 pesos, to which he said, like,
Stop and let us out.
Stop and let us out. But if you don't know this, a lot of the cabs will have the prices up in the window, front window. So if you stick your head in and look up, if we would have done that immediately, it would have said 35 pesos. So actually I ended up saying, no, it says 35, and he ended up driving us there for 35, but he was a bit of a dick about it.
Yeah.
No ifs, ands, or buts. But that's not supposed to happen here, and I think it's more the exception than the rule.
And we got in before we asked, which we shouldn't.
Which we never usually do, and it was leaving the cruise place, like where the cruise ships come. So if you're going to get taken advantage of, that's the place to get it done, right? So anyway, we just thought it was worth mentioning. We hung out at the hotel for a little while, then we packed another bag and went into La Crucecita. We were looking for some ice cream, a happy hour, and something good to eat. We found it all. But first, check out these birds. Crazy. We heard the ice cream here rocks, so here we are to check it out. The name of this place was La Michocana. We'd heard of this place from a couple different people, and we want to check it out. This pistachio ice cream is supposed to be the best around. They've got lots of different flavors of things. You can see all the flavors here in this picture. And we were here for the pistachio, so Karen's giving that a try.
The best pistachio ice cream in Huatulco, supposedly. Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
I decided to go with the mango paleta. It's kind of like an ice cream bar, but it's made out of basically fruit, and it's really, really good. This was 20 pesos, I think, and your ice cream was
20,
so 40 pesos.
This is our happy hour place.
Just the perfect meat, an awesome bread, and authentic cheese awaits you. Hot Rock and Burgers.
We're here at Hot Rockin' Burgers, and it's 2-for-1 margaritas, and they were 35 pesos a piece, and they are bomb.
2 for 1.
Here's a quick look at their menu, but let me save you some time. They pride themselves on having the best burgers in town, so you might want to try one of those. And from time to time, they got live music.
So I got some mango habanero wings, 12 of them, 2 micheladas. There's a special for that, and that was 190 pesos, and these are tasty.
180.
But they're very good.
We ended up having 4 margaritas, nachos, habanero wings with fries. It came with 2 micheladas. All that came to 410 pesos, or 28.75 Canadian, or $20.30 US. This place is awesome. We went back 3 times. If you're looking for it, it's at La Crucecita at the corner of Bougainvillea and Ciba. We'll link their Facebook and Instagram in the description below. Tell them Beach Bubbling sent you. That's going to be it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like below. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when we make another video. If you have any questions, you get a hold of us on our socials or through email. Got another full day tomorrow. Until next time, cheers.